Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. Today is a synthetic wig review. This one is by Janet Collection and it's called Oscar, and I do have her in a natural black color. I'll leave a link to where you can grab this unit in the information bar down below. It's a really pretty like curly lace front unit with a curved side part. Really cute. I like the color on the stock card, but that color rarely ever works out for me, so I just got the natural one. The parting space looks really good. I didn't have to pluck any hairs from the part. You can go ahead and add powder to the part, but I didn't bother to do that either. The cap construction does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps, and it does have soft lace around the front edge and in the parting space. The curls are really pretty and bouncy. If you like this unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review up. You can just click the link at the top and go ahead and check that out, but make sure you finish watching this video first. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and just popped the wig on my head. The wig had a really nice fit. It fit my head really well. I would definitely say that this wig is medium head friendly. I'm not sure that this one would be great for, you know, a bigger size head. I did have the straps adjusted to the second tightest setting. The unit looks like it's about 16 inches and it's super curly, really pretty. This is the type of unit that I literally fall for every time. And I like that this one's a little shorter. Usually when I get these type of bombshell curls, it's typically a longer unit, but this one is really a nice length and I love it. This one I decided to go ahead and clump the curls together. I love that retro old Hollywood style of look. And I was just feeling it with like the red lip. It was just giving me all types of pinup doll type of tease. So I went ahead and pushed the wig behind my hairline and allowed my own baby hairs to show. So I just went ahead and darkened the lace that was around the edge so it would blend in, and I laid my edges down with edge control. I felt like the red lip did need a little bit of a lip liner, so I grabbed a brown lip liner to just soften that up as well. You guys, I really like this unit. It's super cute. It's right up my alley, the type of units that I always rock and love. You don't have to leave your curls clumped together. Obviously, you can just, you know, finger comb them out and keep them, you know, big and wild. But I really did like this soft glam type of look. Tell me what you guys think about this unit and leave a comment down below. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.